Fears of the coronavirus, they are spreading, and more so every day. Many people are worried all across the world, and the rumors about its arrival in Georgia is something that is percolating as well.
This Facebook post went viral. It claimed coronavirus had already made it to Georgia, in Rome specifically, with someone being treated at the Redmond Urgent Care. It even claimed East Rome was on lockdown, but is it true? We have two sources here, Logan Boss with the Georgia Department of Health Northwest District and Andrea Pitts with Redmond Hospital. Both confirmed there are no cases of coronavirus confirmed in that area. Pitts said no one's being treated at any Redmond facility, whether it's urgent care or in the hospital. And Boss said there was never any lockdown anywhere in Rome. So is someone being treated for coronavirus in Rome? Was there ever a lockdown? We verified and found both are false.